Stir-fry beef with mushroom, bell peppers, and onions. In a wok, you're going to heat up some oil, add some garlic, and once the garlic is cooked for a few seconds, you're going to add your sliced beef and then give it a stir. Then add some oyster sauce to that and some black peppers. Give it a stir. And then once your beef meat is almost cooked, you're going to add the mushrooms and then the bell peppers. I'm going to add some soy sauce here, and I also added some fish sauce earlier. I forgot to take that part. I'm going to add some more oyster sauce, some more black pepper, and then MSG. MSG is optional. You do not have to add it if you don't want to. And then I'm going to add some sugar. Add your sliced onions and then give it a stir. And then I'm going to add some more soy sauce and a little bit more fish sauce. And it's done and ready to enjoy. And this dish is always good with a side of omelet egg. So I'm just going to make some omelet egg to go with it and the rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.